A letter from the past. Ayaan was cleaning his old bookshelf when a faded envelope slipped out from between the pages of an old diary. His heart skipped a beat as he recognized the handwriting. It was his mother's. She had passed away 5 years ago, leaving behind only memories. With trembling hands, he opened the letter. "My dear Ayaan, if you're reading this, it means you've grown into the strong, kind-hearted man I always believed you would be. Life will test you, people may leave, and sometimes you will feel lost. But remember, you were born to shine. Never stop believing in yourself. And no matter where you go, my love will always be with you." Tears welled up in Ayaan's eyes. He had been struggling in life, feeling alone and uncertain about his future. But this letter, written years ago, felt like a warm hug from his mother, telling him that he was not alone. That day, Ayaan decided he wouldn't give up. He would live with courage, just as his mother had always wanted. He folded the letter carefully and placed it back in his diary, this time, not as a forgotten memory, but as a reminder that love never truly fades. Moral: the people we love may leave, but their love and guidance stay with us forever.